The art of war is just a tool in and of itself. It is no different from a hammer. A hammer can be used to hurt or help. Different tactics, same tool. To truly follow Sun Tzu's The Art of War, you must always be willing to change, to adapt to change and use the force of momentum. It can be your guide, telling you when to fight and when not to fight, move forward, stay, or retreat. It will be the armor that protects you from deception and misinformation, bad decision-making, and regret. When you decide not to go or be involved, you are achieving victory without battle and defense. The book teaches you to know if you are more prepared than your opponent and how to face them. It is your weapon to fight against unnatural monsters of people in this world. But when you use the art of war to help others, then the opponent is in you, changing to be better on a higher level of goodness. It teaches you the importance of loyalty and harmony among your team, family, or neighborhood, or business. If you know tactics such as dealing with people and a skill such as managing, plumbing, or any job, then you already use strategy. As a matter of fact, you've been using it all of your life since the day you were born. We just go through life creating our own system of strategy without realizing that is what we are doing. We usually become competitive in some way over time as adults until older age or death. Everyone knows the form by which I am victorious, but no one knows the form by which I ensure victory. Chapter 6, Emptiness and Fullness. There are only two ways to apply this book. The first is literal, a fight, physically. The other is to apply it metaphorically when dealing with people or some skill. There are only two ways that you can use the art of war, and that is to help yourself and or others, or to hurt yourself and or others. This is the first version that anyone should read as a beginner. This is the second version of the art of war you should read. They are both pocket versions, and this is the bigger third version that you should read. You should follow them all up with this Mastering the Art of War, translated by Thomas Cleary. Subscribe on YouTube.